Hi, Mr. Claude's class. This is your teacher, Mr. Claude, and I had a special request to explain how to access the newsletter off of the class website. So I thought I'd go ahead and do that. As you can tell, what you're looking at is the homepage of my newsletter. Well, excuse me, of my webpage. So I want to go through, I want to explain each of the steps that you take to get to the newsletter. First thing you do is you look here in the middle of the screen, you see the title of the page, Mr. Claude's third grade, and then you see a home button and a binder button. The page right now is on home button, so what you need to do is you need to click on binder in the middle of the top. And it opens up and loads. Now, you see nothing right here. I don't have anything, right here to welcome you to the binder. I'll probably work on that, but right now I don't. So I look on the left if I was a parent, and I look at general online resources and class newsletters, and that is a category that you need to look at. So you select class newsletters, excuse me, on the left side of the screen. And in my left-hand toolbar, you'll see newsletter 1, 2, and 3, because that's how many I've done so far. And you see the title, the headline, newsletter number 3 is here. Normally, this is a preview of whatever document you want to make available for your kids. But for whatever reason, it doesn't show me a preview. But that is okay. I look here under the title, and if I move my mouse over where it says open file, you notice that that is a live hyperlink. A hyperlink is a kind of a hidden web page link that you can open up to either go to another web page or open up a document. So if I wanted to open up newsletter number 3, for example, I would click on open file. And on my computer, it opens up my newsletter. I just noticed I forgot to change volume 2 to volume 3. Well, sorry about that, guys. And I can scroll down and read my vocabulary words, my upcoming events, everything I have in my newsletter. One thing I want to point out is I save these documents in PDF because PDF is kind of a universal file format. A lot of Apple computers, well, if you save a document on an Apple computer, it'll save it in one format. If you save a document on a PC that you created on a PC, it will probably either save it in a Microsoft Word or a Google Doc document. PDF is kind of a universal file format that should be able to be opened up either on an Apple computer or a PC. So if you don't already have your PDF reader downloaded onto your computer, it probably would be a good idea to go ahead and download it so you can open PDFs. If I share a document with you on the web page or on Remind, I'm always going to do it as a PDF because I realize not everybody has Microsoft Word, Google Doc, or whatever is available on Apple computers. So remember, the file format is always going to be Adobe Acrobat or Adobe PDFs. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. I'm back to this page right here that you see, the class newsletter page. It works the same way no matter what the newsletter is. You see the open file link, and I click on newsletter number 1. Newsletter number 1, I saved it. Okay, sorry about that, parents. I had a brief interruption. But just to recap, like I said, this particular one, actually you can see the file on newsletter 1. But if you come down here, you would click on the hyperlink that is right below the title of the headline, the newsletter, and you click on Open File, and that will open up the PDF file. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Remind. You can shoot me an email at claudevictor@WSD3, or you can send me a message on Remind. Hope you have a great night and a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.